We are really honored today to have Dee Hankins here to do a motivational speak of resilience to our students and tell them that everything that they've overcome and how they can still make it through, and being here today is what it's all about.
I thought he was really honest with us. A lot of the topics he discussed were topics that aren't really brought up in class, but they were topics that need to be discussed about.
I speak on resilience, the ability to bounce back, and what better time than now. They've dealt with so much this year. Anxiety is higher, depression is higher, mental illness is higher. They're at a point in life where, the wrong word can set them down the wrong path, and the right word can set them up for success. So, my job is just to kind of go around and try to give them those right words while I can, so they can just have that snowball effect as they continue, freshman to sophomore, sophomore to junior, junior to senior, and then senior into like real adulthood.